Right, in this video I'm going to show you basically how you can reset your branch. So say you've got a bunch of changes on your branch and you've totally messed up. Imagine this is, I don't know, it's not main, but it's your branch that you branched off main from. And you've got to a point where the branch is so messy, you just want to go back to, you know, either a previous commit, like 2 commits ago, you could probably do that. But in some instances, you just want to like fully refresh and go back to what was on the branch. So there's actually a few ways to do this, but generally what I do, if I have like really messed up, you can do git reset and you can say hard, and then you can do your origin. Now you could do your origin here to whatever your branch is. You want to target the remote origin. So in this case, I'm just going to say main, and there we are, reset the head now, back down, and you can see my changes have gone. It works, you know, pretty well. We can make a change and we can then push up, but that allows you basically just to reset as a clean refresh to what is actually on the branch. In this instance, it's main, but in other instances, 99% of the time, it is going to be your remote branch. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That's how you reset to your remote origin.